So first, today we are going to start relation between radius of curvature and focal length. Focal length actually for a mirror first. Let us. It can be asked for concave mirror. It can be asked for convex mirror. Let us start for concave mirror. Very simple diagram. Always remind it. Ray optics without arrow mark, there is 0 mark only. So this is the principal axis. You can tell. Let us draw a parallel line. Suppose this is my center of curvature. This is my focus. So I can tell this is my pole. This distance is nothing but my radius of curvature. And this distance is nothing but our focal length. So before starting any part, if I will think it fast, suppose parallel ray is incident, which is parallel to the principal axis. What will be the path of that reflected ray?
So it will pass to the focus.
It will pass through
Back to the focus.
Very good. Now my question is, do you know this? Anytime,
Focus, sir.
yes, if any time I will join this center of curvature to any point, this thing is normal. If anything is drawn from center of curvature to the mirror, for that point, it behaves like normal. Do you know this or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let us start. What is the
Yes, sir.
point? Suppose I am starting here. So if it is normal, this is the incident ray. What are you thinking? Which angle is this?
Incident angles.
Angle of incidence.
Incident angle normal to the reflected ray. Who is this angle?
Angle of
Deviation.
reflection.
Angle of reflection. Very good. Suppose I am telling this angle FC, let this angle is N. FCN, if I am writing this as alpha. I think it is clearly visible to everybody.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Now
sir.
my question is, I want to prove that CP is equal to CF plus FP. I know, but if I will prove CF is equal to FP, then our task is done. Okay, how to prove all these things? Let us know it properly. From this figure, we can write I equal to R. Yes or no? Because angle
Yes.
of incident is angle of
Yes,
reflection.
sir.
These two are parallel ray. This is the intersections, cross section we can tell. Can I tell I is equal to alpha?
Yes, sir.
That means
Yes,
from
sir.
this
Yes,
figure it
sir.
is clear I is equal to alpha. So from equation 1 and 2, can I write R is equal to alpha?
Yes, sir.
I equal
Yes,
to R, I equal to alpha. That means these two sides are equal. Again, we have to consider that Fn is nearly equal to Fp. Okay, first, did you get R is equal to alpha or not?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Alternate angles.
Okay, if R equal to alpha, from here the conclusion is that CF equal to Fn. Look, this is a triangle. We know that for any triangle, if two angles are equal means those two sides must be equal. Do you know this?
Yes, sir.
That means,
Yes,
can
sir.
I tell from the triangle CNF, the conclusion is that if alpha equal to R, then I can write CF is equal to Fn. Am I right or wrong?
Right, sir.
Yes, sir. Right, sir.
Right, sir.
Now the question is, from figure or experiment, it is found that Fn is nearly equal to Fp. If Fn is nearly equal to Fp, that from equation, suppose this is equation 4, this is equation 5. So from equation 4 and 5, can I write CF is equal to Fp? Because CF equal to Fn, Fp equal to Fn. That means I can write from equation 4 and 5, CF is equal to Fp. Is it clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Clear.
If CF equal to
Yes.
FP, that means now I can write the radius of curvature, which was nothing but equal to CP, which is nothing but equal to CF plus FP.
FP.
So I can write, but CF is equal to FP. That means this is nothing but equal to 2FP, because CF equal to FP. So this is FP plus FP is 2FP. But who is FP? Who is FP?
F, sir. Focal length.
F, focal length. That
Focus,
means from here it is clear R equal to 2F.
Yes, sir.
The mirror equation is nothing but 1 by F is equal to 1 by V plus 1 by U. F is the focal length, V is the image distance, U is the object distance. So I will try to draw whatever it is similar to the book, but if you practice only 2 ray diagrams, you can do it. So what will I do? One, always try to remind the main point for this is different books, different methods are there. Whatever SLO is there, I am following that. One common point is C, another common point is P. So based on that, I am drawing. Some other books or state medium books are also there. They are focusing one common point F, another common point P. Yes, by that method also it can be proved. So the methods may be different, but proof is same. So let us draw it fast. Let me draw a bigger picture. This is a concave mirror. Let us create object is beyond C. So where will be the image? If object is beyond C, where will the image and is
Between C and F.
between
B and
C
F,
and
sir.
F? Okay. Suppose this is my object. I want to draw it large so that it will be visible to all of you properly. Generally in book, whatever they are doing, always connected to the principal axis, they are taking BA. It is not compulsory that you have to follow that. You can do according to your wish. There may be mistake. So don't do like freehand, whatever I am doing here. Always use scale and pencil. It is good, always. Now I have to adjust it. Again, I am telling like book I am drawing here. No need to draw all the 4 rays here. You can draw it by 2 also. Some students, they will compare the books after the class, they will check it. That's why for them I'm drawing it. What is the most important point I told? You need to remind these things. One common point is C. Another common point is P. Then you can do it. So one common point is C. What is the triangles if I want to compare? Okay, let me draw first image. This will be B prime. This is A prime. So if one common point is C means this is one triangle. This is another triangle. Did you get those triangles or not?
Yes.
So
Got it, sir.
that is A, B, C, A prime, B prime, C. Another triangle will be, so let me finish this first, otherwise you will be in trouble at that time. Another triangle will be A, B, P, A prime, B prime, P. I will mark it later. So let us first finish it. Suppose I'm going for the common point C. That means I'm going for, let us go for A prime, B prime, C triangle, because these two are similar. So this is 90, this is 90, this is opposite angle. So by default, these two angles will be equal. So according to AAA concept, you can tell these two triangles are similar. So I will write the triangle ABC is similar to triangle A prime, B prime, C. Always I want to write here A prime B prime by AB. Who can tell A prime B prime by AB? So can I write B prime C and BC? A prime B prime by AB. Similarly, if height ratio must be equal to base ratio, that means I will write here B prime C by BC. But one problem is there. What is that problem? We don't know what is B prime C. So let us find it first, then we will put it here. So how to find B prime C? Let us do it here. B prime C or CB prime, I can write this is nothing but equal to PC minus PB prime. Please check it. B prime C is equal to this distance equal to this total distance minus this distance is this distance. Are you agree with this or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So let me tell it
Yes,
again.
sir.
What I want to know, this distance I want to know. So total minus white is yellow. Done. Now who is PC? PC. Who can tell who is PC? Of course, I did not write it here.
CB prime
Let
plus
me write
B
PC
prime
is
C.
equal to minus R. PB prime is equal to minus V. PB equal to minus U. And the next part is PF. PF equal to minus F. So these values only we will put. So now you check it. Who is PC?
Minus R.
Minus R. Minus who is PB prime?
Minus B.
Minus B. So what is the answer? It is B minus R. Okay. So similarly, I will go for the next part is BC. I don't know BC. Similarly, who can help me? What is BC? Look at here. BC equal to PB minus PC. Am I right or wrong? PB minus
Yes.
PC is BC. That means PB minus PC. So what is PB?
Minus U.
PB is minus U minus PC. PC is what?
Minus R.
Minus R. So what is the answer here? So we are getting here.
R minus U.
So we are getting that BC is equal to R minus U. So if I will check it here, let this is equation 1, this is equation 2a, this is equation 2b. So comparing equation 1, 2 and 2b, what is our ratio now? A prime B prime by AB. Who is that? Who can help me? A B prime C. What is B prime C?
V minus R.
B minus R. And what is that BC?
R minus U.
I will write it here, R minus U. Check it again. This is R minus U or U minus R. Otherwise, everything will be problem at that time. So this is our main equation, done, equation 3. Now, similarly, okay, first tell me, is this clear, everybody? Ipsita Panda, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, don't worry. I will give time to write. Let us go for, similarly, what I told, another common point must be what? P. P means, let me drag it now. So can I tell now, the P means one triangle is ABP, another triangle is, now is it visible clearly to everybody? Which
Yes.
triangle we
Yes,
are going
sir.
to compare?
Yes,
Look,
sir.
similarly, at P, this angle equal to this angle, I equal to R, we know this. And this is 90, this is 90. So on the basis of AAA, angle, we can write which triangles are similar. A prime, B prime, P triangle is similar to A, B, C triangle. So similarly, height by height. So I will write it here, A prime, B prime by AB. Similarly, base by base will be there. So what is that? B prime P by BP. B prime P base by base BP. So I will write here BP. But now who is B prime P? Please check it here. What is B prime P? This is minus V. PB. PB is minus U.
Minus U.
So what we got the conclusion is A prime B prime by AB is equal to B by U. So from equation 3 and equation 4, what will be the conclusion? From equation 3 and equation 4, left sides are equal, that means yes, V by U equal to V minus R by R minus U. So what will I do now? Let us do cross multiplication. So what will be there if I do cross multiplication? VR minus UV. This is UV minus RU. So what I want to do now, let us divide UVR for all factors. Let us do it here. What will I do? UVR, 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 UVR. This is the best thing in mathematics. Cot. VVRR, UUVV. So similarly, I will write UUVV, RRUU. So what is the remaining things? Will you please tell me? The remaining factors are 1 by U minus 1 by R is equal to 1 by R minus 1 by V. Did you get it or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now,
Sir.
let us take it V to one side, R to another side. So 1 by V plus 1 by U equal to 1 by R plus 1 by R. This is 1 by R plus 1 by R. So what will be the answer? 2 by R. Or let me write it. Why to confuse? You may skip it. So this is nothing but equal to 2 by R. But what is the relation between R and F? What is the relation between R and F?
F equal to R by
R
F.
is equal to 2.
1 by
R equal
R,
to-
R by R.
So can I write R equal to 2F? So did we get
Yes,
our answer?
sir.
What is the answer? 1 by
Yes,
V plus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. This is proved. Now look it here carefully. If you want to draw it faster, which ray diagrams till now it is not used? If you'll ask me, I will go for. So if you want to check me properly, which ray diagrams never used, I think this is the fast ray diagram. Is it used in our
No, sir.
comparison anywhere? So it is not used. That means if you want to do it in simple figure, fast parallel ray, do not draw. Another ray diagram also did not use. Who is that? Who can tell?
Sir, the A is passing focus, sir.
Yes. So now it is becoming simple figure. Isn't it? So only two ray
Yes,
diagrams
yes,
you
sir.
will to draw. What are those two ray diagrams? One through pole, one through C. Task is over. Our common point is also P and C. Always, how can you remind? Look it here. I need to compare P and C means the ray diagram must be drawn to P and C. Look it here. This is the first ray diagram. This is the second ray diagram. Task is over. What are the two comparing situations we have to see? One common point is C. One common point is C means ABC, A prime, B prime, C. This is okay, clearly visible or not? Another thing is
Yes,
common
sir.
point is P, A prime, B prime, P, A, B, P. So this is easy one or not? Can you judge which triangles you have to compare? Now, let me tell it
Yes.
again. Okay, let me stop recording first, then I will explain.